Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel KZ Thinker. In this video I will show you how to repair your old LED bulb. If you have any old LED bulb which is not working, then don't throw outside. You can repair it and reuse again. So this video is very important to all of people because all people have LED bulb, and if you go to buy new LED bulb, it is slightly costly. So don't buy new one. You can repair it and again you can use it. For this you can save lots of money. So before starting this video, I request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel and press notification bell for new updates. In this video, what are material I used here, I have given the link in description. You can get material from there. Now let's start it. For repairing your old LED bulb, you need your old LED bulb which is not working, one small wire, single core wire, one cutter, wire cutter, one holder set with plug and soldering kit. Take your holder set and plug in. I plug in. Now open this your old LED. You can see this is blinking. This is blinking. You can see it. And here you can see this bulb is not blinking. Okay, so now how to check which LED is not working? For this, take a single wire, small piece of wire and cut it. Remove the corners, the laminated. Now fold like this. Now you check which LED is have black spots. Here you can check. Some LED has a black spot like here. Here's some black spot, and all have a white spot. There's no any black spot is there. Now find out any black spot each and every LED. You can see here only one have one black spot. Here you can see, if you able to see, you can see here this is a black spot, small black spot is there. Now what we will do, take us this wire and touch it with black spot corners, both corners like this. See, so that means this LED has some problem. Now what we will do, just remove this LED from this holder and take a cutter, and which LED is not working and has a black spot, just break this LED. I break here. You can see I break this LED. Now what I will do, now check. Now I will solder this. Now I'm going to sort this LED. this LED from soldering kit, soldering iron. Before solder, just remove this wire from your connection. I removed already. Now I'm going to solder this LED which I broke in here. Check, I just short circuited this LED. Now I am going to connect this wire. Now you can check this is working. So don't use to buy a new LED bulb. You can repair this LED and you can reuse this LED bulb again. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.